Anushka Patel and I have done chemical engineering from IIT ISM Dhanbad. I got my IIT JEE ranking. So on the basis of that, I have filled up the counseling forms. On the basis, I got chemical engineering in IIT ISM Dhanbad. They have started this engineering leadership program ELP in 2017. For this program, they have selected various chemical engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. We were sent to the plant and we were given classroom training lectures and how the plant works, how the safety parameters are there. And after that, there were plant visits also. So we get to know the practical application, what we are learning in the classroom, we get to see what is happening actually in the plant. We had 2 to 3 stints where all of us were sent to different units. Like I was sent to two different units to have exposure, get to know more about what are the other chemical units they are manufacturing and get exposure of the different units. After the initial classroom and plant sessions, I was allotted a project in which I have to work on the sustainability, where we have to work on the water, wastewater and other management plans that we have to prepare. So my mentor is Narsimha Sridhara Sastry, who was more of a technical, you can say, expert on these areas. He was an expert of health, safety, environment and sustainability. He has guided us on how to prepare the management plans, because on that time it was we have to enter the systems and numbers in the NHESA. NHESA is a platform in Avalon where you have to answer the questionnaires, and then after working on that we were sent to other unit. Like I was working in Nagda, then I was sent to Renupur, where this assessment was happening. Whenever you are preparing any management plan or you are giving some figures on environment, health and sustainability, you have to be particular about what the company act or what the MP, if we are like in the MP, so the what MP government, what are the regulations are there, what are the norms for the consumption and what are the indexes that have been set by the company. So during our induction program at Mumbai itself, which happened for the group induction, which was of 7 days. So there were many leaders, senior leaders who came to us and shared their experiences, given lectures on the how to deal with the plant and how to work in plant, what will be the scenario in plant. So there was one senior leader, Mr. Satish Pai, who has told us, like your career is not a 100-meter race, it's a marathon. So the major key takeaway from this line of his was that learning is never going to stop. You always have to keep learning. That is the point, I think, that stayed with me till now. So working in a plant is, I think, quite a very different as compared to the working in any office or any other place, because whenever you're entering in a plant, you have to follow all the safety measures. You cannot forget your helmet, your shoes, safety shoes and your proper full uniform. You cannot forget that. And in a plant, when we are working in a manufacturing plant, it deals with the various chemicals, gases, etc. So the safety, I think, is the major parameter here. And then their major challenge would be how to break the ice. When we first went to the plant, and there will be workmen, there will be many experienced people who is having 20 to 30 years of experience, and you have to break the ice to get to know them, get to learn from them. So these were the major challenges. And also being a girl, they were not expecting, I think, she will be coming to the plant. For manufacturing of the product, you have to get the support of your procurement team. your raw material team who is providing you the raw material. Then after that you can manufacture your product. So I was allotted Grasim Chemical Division Nagda unit, and it is a unit where we manufacture caustic soda and its value added products. So getting to learn about what are the process parameters that you have to maintain, and also what are the conditions in which you have to operate, what are the emergency shutdown procedure, startup procedure of the plant in case of in any emergency, how you have to shut down the plant, and also work upon what are the regular day-to-day requirements of the plant. So in any manufacturing unit, since there are the many kind of maintenance work is going on, so first thing in the morning itself that you have to prepare many permits for that work that you have to do in the whole day itself. Also apart from that, you have to daily do the data entry in the SAP. There is a SAP system, and daily morning after generating the permit for the jobs, you have to enter the last day's production data and consumption data, what the things you have consumed to produce that product. So it's been 2 years working in plant, and during our induction phase, we also met E.R. Rajnarayan sir, who was the group executive president of our chemical business. He inspires a lot. For one time, he came to our Nagda plant also. The way he interacted with all the teams, all the young people. So it was a very, I think, inspiring. Good to know, like he was very down to earth and very cool and calm in his nature. He was interacting with everyone, getting to know them, he was sharing his stories about his child, about his children. The major challenge is now you have to maintain social distancing in plant while you are working. We have to work with less, or you can say minimum budget expenses. We have to maintain our parameters, and we have to deliver our best and manufacture our products with minimum budget. So the major challenge here is to look for the alternative options what you have in that working conditions. So for the next couple of years, I want to work in the leadership role, because now currently I'm working as a production engineer. Now I want to work in some leadership roles, and also I would like to work on customer services, because now in our product itself we are dealing with customers, not directly dealing with the customer, but we are having indirect interactions with them, so getting to know about their specification. I would like to work in customer services section in leadership roles. Would like to tell the future ELP aspirants that be open to the learnings, be open to the new learnings, because whenever you visit to a plant, whenever you go in the plant, you can see the people who are having way more of experience than you. Like they're having 20 to 30 years of experience. They are at that location working in that unit and different units. So you can learn from them. You should be open to the learnings that you are getting. Also, utilize your training period and work along with the team, collaborate with the people, talk to them and learn from them as much as, because there you can learn from the operators. Since they are having so much experience, they will tell you how the process is going on and they will guide you. Just you have to be open to the learning.